So hi all. So the topic which we going to cover today, which is humanoid robots. So here the introduction of humanoid robots is deals with the robots, recent engagement in robots, humanoid robots having human characteristics for human activities, reassemble human both in appearance and behavior, electro in the human robots. These are some history glimpses. Integration of scientific and energetic fields are social dimensions. Then Waseda University leading research sites. Then followed by first usable robot by Honda in 1996. Honda humanoid robots briefly history. Then first high profile humanoid robots in NASA Hombo. So these are some evaluation of human. We are going to follow by the robotics. So here it is, the robotic evaluation. Then followed by why we develop the humanoid robots. So here the rational reasons can work in human environment and tools are adapt for us, easier for interaction than easiest to the work of humans because it's a dream generation. So here some glimpses, then followed by some compositions. Main commons of human which is covered as actuator like a motion motors, then sensor to measure something attributes and moving some sensing and proactive and preactive etc. Then other system like manipulators and power sources. Then followed by some simulation tools like 3D CAD model of human robots creating using like a SolidWorks. Then robot software development environment. Then addition of characters like weightage and human hands, legs, stomach, etc. Then connection of each part, which is comes into assembly part. Then followed by surface contact of continuationer to walk. Here some configuration is shown here like degrees of freedom as we have studied in degrees of mechanism like 6 for each leg, 4 for each arm, 1 for hand, 2 for wrist and 1 for neck. Total 25 degrees of freedom we need to follow as mentioned here as a figure. Then followed by humanoid robots types, which is ORIO. This is nothing but Creo Quest for Curiosity. Then HRP. Then ASIMO, Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility. Then AIBO, Artificial Intelligence Robot. Then PARO and Tapero. So these are some few human robots in advanced. And here some photos and glimpses are shown here like human activities. This is the humanoid robots just for explanation. Then formation of control like a simulation system configuration, robotic law, 9.1 9.8 n gravitational force and flat dry concrete floor. Then control and fuzzy controls. The pit control, which is nothing but proportional integrated devices control, its control loop feedback mechanism. Then controller minimize the error, three-term control like PID, and some formulas are used to block diagram. Then physics control like a definition of physiologics consists input stage and processing stage and output stage. Input stage where map the sensor or other inputs. Processing stage which generate and combination of results. Output is final outcome. Then block diagram which is explain like a get input plus or minus, then followed by fuzzy control and process. After processing, that's followed by output. If there is any error, that's go under the negative stage, then move to again set point, then fuzzy control and process. This is a continuation of control system just for the robotic for basics, and error and speed of object maintained by PID. PID division we have seen earlier slide. Then reason for using PID, then better efficiency than other control. Then fuzzy control robot position like a parallel to the object or perpendicular to the object or inclined to the object, etc. So these are some glimpses of working sensor like a sensor output, pit control, motor control and humanoid robots. In this form, their lower body control, then physical control, motor control, overall package comes under the upper body control, then followed by humanoid robots, and finally some pros and cons are there. Like first one is pro, like advantage: safe load carrying, good efficiency, high accuracy, less time consuming. In disadvantages, we have to focus on the cost. First one is cost. Mainly, the cost is huge, so we need to focus on that. Then requires specialized people for maintenance. So these are some applications are shown here in entertainment, human works, education, art, research and rescue, medical and welfare, etc. So going to conclude this part. Safe move the object cooperatively, correct position and speed to robots, smooth coordination and carry object safely on various. So finally, scope for improvement, design user-friendly components for layman and cost effectiveness. So this is overall package of humanoid robots. Thank you.